Do you know what I love? The smell of a fresh tube of Ruby Woo. Do you know what I love even more? A fresh tube of pattern leave-in conditioner. Well, everybody, hold on to your hats. Read my lips. Pattern has partnered with MAC to create the ultimate kit for your curls and your kisser. It is the Holy Grail kit. Yes! Get a tube of Ruby Woo lipstick, the ultimate, the iconic, my first lipstick love affair, set with a limited edition leave-in conditioner that features the perfect Ruby Woo pout. All available in this cutie patootie kit. These are my two holy grails. Very important to my beauty regime. This is a limited edition set, and it's just for the holidays, so you know what that means, right? Once it's gone on sale, it's gone, girl. It's like bye. It's like, bye. It's my two faves, available on patternbeauty.com. There's nothing better.